Changing your primary email on Houzz is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Houzz website and log into your account using your current email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to email preferences. In the account settings, look for the section labeled email preferences or account information. Click on it to view your current email settings. Step 4. Update your email. Find the option to change your primary email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field and confirm it if required. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Once you've completed these steps, your primary email on Houzz will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages.